Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your doorbell suddenly stops ringing and visitors are standing outside without any sound or alert coming through, it can definitely become upsetting. Sometimes the button gets pressed and nothing happens at all, while other times the chime sounds weak or works only once in a while. A problem like this can happen because of loose wiring, power interruptions, button issues, or a transformer problem hiding somewhere in the setup. Before assuming the entire doorbell system completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many doorbell problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a doorbell not working. Try these. Step 1. Press the doorbell button and listen closely for any sound from the doorbell system. Step 2. Check power connected to the doorbell transformer if the doorbell system stays silent. Step 3. Inspect visible wiring around the doorbell system for anything loose or disconnected. Step 4. Test the chime connected to the doorbell system if sound suddenly stopped working. Step 5. Refresh power linked with the doorbell system after any recent outage or electrical change. Step 6. Try the doorbell system again and confirm normal ringing starts returning properly.